Hi, today we're going to talk about installing the Golabel software, what goes with the 730 printer as well as the Zillow 4. Any of the Codex brand printers, you can download this free software that allows you to create labels. And today we're going to talk about where to get that software. So, first thing we want to do is go to codexinternational.com. Once the page comes up, don't need that. Once the page comes up, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to software. And the software we want to download is Golabel install. And you want to get the most recent one. So if you downloaded it from somewhere else, you want to mainly go to the Codex website to get the newest version. And so here you have it's 1.17, which is the most current version that they have on their site. And you want to go ahead and save that file. Now, this also works as well for Windows 10. You may see something a little different, but the premise is about the same. Where the software is normally downloaded is to your downloads folder. I'm using a Mozilla uh, Firefox, and so I have a little indicator here of my download. So it kind of flashes when it's actually in progress, and when it's done, I can actually go and it says completed there. So I can either open it and start the unzip process, or go here and do the folder of where it's actually installed, downloaded to. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and right click on it, because it is a compressed file. Right click on it and extract all. It's going to extract it in a folder under the user's name, downloads, and it's going to be in this folder. So we'll do that, extract it, and now there's our folder that's open. And again, it's under C users, the user's name, whoever signed in on the machine, downloads, and then a folder called Golabel install. So once you've done that, you can just double click and go inside of it. Double click on the setup exe. Now remember, if you are in a corporate environment, you may or may not have to have administrative rights to install the software. And in that case, you'd have to get your administrator or someone who has an administrator password in order to get the software installed. So as we wait for it to get installed here, start it up. Welcome to the Golabel Wizard. And the default location of where it's going to be installed is on your C drive under Program Files x86. Codex, which is the manufacturer, and the name of the application is Codex Label. So, and then it starts the process of installing the application. And depending on how fast your computer is, it may or may not take some time for the application to actually install. But if it and see, because we're in a corporate environment, we have to put in the password for administrative rights to install the application. And away it goes. So once you have the application installed, you are ready to set up here for your templates. Of course, you always want to get the most up-to-date version of the software. So we can close now. One of the things that you want to pay attention to is here at the bottom. It says, please use Windows Update to check for critical updates to the .NET framework. So the Golabel software depends on the .NET framework if you have it installed and with the most up-to-date version of it. Okay, so now we have the software installed. We can go over and check and verify. And that was going to be Codex executed. And there you have it. At the top, it's Golabel version 1.17. And that concludes on the install of Golabel. Thank you.